Do you ever get stuck in the middle of a sentence? You know what you want to say, but the words just don't come out? And that moment feels so frustrating, right? You want to speak, but your brain just freezes. Well, today that stops. Welcome to Let's Learn English. I'm Annie. Today, we are learning the easy English words that you need every single day, the ones most learners completely skip. Trust me, by the end of this episode, you will feel so much more confident. Let's go.
Hey everyone, I'm Biplov. Yes, that pause is the worst. But guess what? Native speakers use pauses and little words all the time. So you're not doing anything wrong. You're just learning how conversation actually works. Let's make those pauses your secret superpower.
By the way, we call these words filler words or connector words, but I like helper words better because they help. Words like actually, anyway, pretty much. Simple, right? They give you a moment to think without stopping the flow.
Totally. And for our listeners who are beginners, don't worry. We'll keep everything short and clear. We'll show examples, we'll role play, and we'll invite you to repeat. Ready?
Ready. First, let's talk about that gap, the stuck feeling. Imagine ordering coffee and forgetting the word for latte for a second. What do? You can say, or maybe, and keep talking. It's normal.
Yeah, and I remember when I first moved to the US, I would freeze. I'd think, oh no, they'll notice. But actually, people just keep listening. Using helper words made me feel calm, so you can try them too.
Okay, quick intro to our show. We're from the channel Let's Learn English. I teach English for shy speakers and people who get nervous. I want you to sound natural, not like a textbook.
And I'm a polyglot who learned languages the messy way, by talking, making mistakes, and laughing about them. We created this show to give you safe, small steps to practice every day. No pressure, little wins.
Words that save time. We'll start with 3 very common helpers. Sort of, maybe, basically. Use them when you need to soften a sentence or buy time. Example, I'm sort of busy right now. It's softer than sounding certain, and it saves space to think.
Example for maybe. Maybe we can meet tomorrow. If you're not sure, you use maybe. It's easy and normal. And basically, you can use it to summarize. Basically, I need 5 minutes. Short and clear.
Let's add a few more. Actually, anyway, pretty much. Actually can correct yourself gently. Actually, I meant 3 o'clock. Anyway moves the conversation on. Anyway, how was your day? And pretty much means almost. I'm pretty much ready. Simple.
Now, short list, like. These are very small sounds, but useful. Beginners worry about using them too much, but guess what? Native speakers use them all the time. The trick is to use them with confidence, not with fear.
Some listeners ask, will these words make me sound uneducated? No. Everyday speech is full of these words. They make you sound human. The goal is to be natural, not perfect.
Right. Now, let's show real-life mini examples, short dialogues. I'll do the first one with Annie. Listen, then repeat with us. Ready?
Ready. Scene. Ordering coffee. Hi. Can I get a small latte, please? Oh, actually, do you have oat milk? Hear how the little words buy time and sound casual?
Hi, can I get a small latte, please? Oh, actually, do you have oat milk? Now you try. Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Good. Another scene. Talking to a friend about plans. I'm maybe free on Saturday. I'll let you know. Or, I'm sort of tired, so maybe we can do Sunday. These show uncertainty in a polite way.
And a quick correction. I'm sort of late. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Notice the small pause and the helper word sort of. It softens the sentence.
Okay, practice and play segment. We'll role play a slightly longer conversation. I'll start, and Beeplove will respond. Then we'll do it again and invite you to join. Here we go. Hey, Biplove. How was your weekend? I, went to a museum, but it was pretty much closed when I got there. So I walked around and, found a nice cafe.
Oh, wow, Annie. Actually, I did that last month too. I was planning to go in, but maybe the hours changed. Anyway, the cafe saved the day. They had great tea.
Now you try. Repeat with us. I, went to a museum, but it was pretty much closed when I got there. So I walked around and, found a nice cafe. Say it out loud. Yes, now.
Nice! Remember, you don't need to say every word perfectly. The helper words are tools. Use them to keep speaking. Let's practice using anyway to change the topic. I'll start. Anyway, have you seen the new movie?
No, not yet. I heard it's good, but I'm sort of tired after work. Short, simple reply. Try it. Anyway, have you seen the new movie? I'm sort of tired after work. Good, well done.
Quick tip. When you use these words, slow down a little. Take the pause as a normal part of conversation. Breathe. People wait, most of the time. If someone interrupts, that's okay too. Practice makes you faster.
Let's teach 3 mini sentences you can use every day. 1, can I have, for ordering. 2, maybe later, I'm busy now, for saying no politely. 3, actually, I think, for correcting yourself. Repeat after me slowly.
Can I have, maybe later. I'm busy now. Actually, I think. Great! Use these 3 as your daily drills. Say them while brushing your teeth, in the shower, on the bus, anywhere.
Short reminder, you don't need to practice for hours. 5 minutes a day with these small phrases will help a lot. Little steps add up. You know, tiny, tiny wins.
Now, a small mistake story. I once said I'm pretty much married when I meant pretty sure I'm getting married. And people laughed. I learned the nuance. Don't be scared of mistakes. They are lessons.
Exactly, Biplov. Mistakes are part of learning. If you overuse one word, that's okay. Try another helper next time. The goal is comfort, not perfection.
Before we close, a quick practice challenge. For the next 3 days, try to use at least 2 helper words every time you speak English. Keep a small note on your phone. Maybe, actually, sort of. Check it once a day.
And remember to celebrate progress. Did you say something today that felt easier than yesterday? Great, small win. If you felt nervous and still spoke, that's huge. You improved.
Okay, final quick role play, fast and playful. I'll be the friend. You ask me about dinner using a helper word. Ready?
Beeplove, do you want dinner tonight? I'm maybe free after 8. Your turn to respond.
Oh, awesome. Actually, I'm kind of hungry too. Let's do 9 then. Perfect. See you then.
Closing now. You did great today. Practice these helper words. Maybe, actually, sort of, pretty much, anyway, basically. Use them kindly with yourself as you learn.
Yes, keep going. Speak often, make mistakes, and laugh. If you want more practice, come back and replay this episode. Repeat the role plays, it really helps.
Thanks for joining us on Let's Learn English. I'm Annie. Remember, calm breaths, small words, and that will lead you to big progress. You've got this.
Keep practicing, and we'll be here for the next step. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.